Ladies and gentlemen, good day. Kuo Chang company has over 50 years experiences in producing the noodle making machines. Our main production lines are fresh noodle, dry noodle, instant noodle, frozen noodle, pasteurized noodle, and the wheat flour skin, such as the wonton skin and the dumpling skins. Most of our machines export to the foreign countries. In Philippines, we sold to the GDP, the Chongqing. In Thailand, we sold to the CP Group. In Malaysia, we sold to the Gardenia Bakeries. For more information, please see the following the video and our running production line. In the near future, we look forward to serving you. Thank you.
Kuo Chang was established in 1967 and has accumulated a rich manufacturing experience in noodle making machines for over half a century. We have actively introduced the IoT to our manufacturing and cultivated intelligent food machinery designers. We analyze large amounts of data, research and develop intelligent production lines, as well as setting up a food machinery design R&D center in the future. In order to expand the domestic and foreign markets, in response to the Intelligent Food Machinery Industry 4.0, we have a complete intelligent production line and cultivated a professional technical team to achieve high-efficiency production. From a single machine to a complete production line, we can provide complete customized services. The noodle making machines produced by Kuo Chang are well recognized in maintaining the quality of major food companies. Machines have internet connectivity and provide choices of various noodle products. Our equipment is sold worldwide. The best choice for noodle making machines. Kuo Chang.